Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include traction control, bucket seats, parking sensors, rear view camera, tire pressure monitoring system. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2018 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.